friends! Welcome back to Quiz Pengu! Today's quiz is packed with tech brands and brainy facts. From fast food to cybersecurity, you'll get 10 multiple-choice questions. Can you pick the right answer before the timer runs out? Let's get started! Walker Coin was a cryptocurrency launched by which fast food chain? Burger King, McDonald's, or Wendy's? It's Burger King, introduced Walker Coin in Russia in 2017. In CNBC, what does the first C stand for? Channel, consumer, or commercial? It's consumer. CNBC stands for Consumer News and Business Channel. Which automaker was founded first? Lamborghini, Ferrari, or Porsche? It's Porsche, founded in 1931, earlier than the others. What would you use to prevent unauthorized access to a computer, decoder, firewall, or kernel? It's firewall, filters unauthorized netweb traffic for security. Which company is nicknamed Big Blue? IBM, Microsoft, or Twitter? It's IBM, widely known by the nickname Big Blue. Which SpaceX spacecraft had a test flight in April 2023? Starship, Falcon 9, or Blue Origin? It's Starship, underwent major test flights in 2023. The Galaxy S range are flagship phones of which company? Xiaomi, BlackBerry, or Samsung? It's Samsung. The Galaxy S series is its premium smartphone line. How many colors are used in the Google logo? 3, 4, or 5? It's 4. The logo uses blue, red, yellow, and green. What do you call malware that demands payment to unlock data? Adware, rootkit, or ransomware? It's ransomware, locks files and demands money to restore access. What type of software are Avast, Norton, and McAfee? Operating systems, antivirus, or photo editors? It's antivirus. These are popular cybersecurity tools. That's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and tell us which question stumped you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more exciting quizzes here on Quiz Pengu. See you tomorrow for the next challenge.